This is an update on MANT, and I had mentioned it as a potential short trade setup in my previous video. And the break of that 83.51 price support I adjusted here, 85.51, would coincide with some selling, and basically based off the primary trend line here. So again, you could have moved it up. If you're paying attention to this trend line, you copy my charts, you could have took it from the top on the primary trend line for a 5.2% drop, but call it evens here, down at 85.51, good for a 2.3% drop, down at 83.19 price support. And again, it's coinciding with the 50-day moving average, and if we were to take that out, not only we take that out, we'll potentially put in we might have a reaction right here off the highs of February, at that 82.16 price. Again, I believe it to be a little bit brief, maybe a back test at 83.19 price resistance, but we had multiple divergences that had just continued to establish in all three indicators for quite some time since November of last year, and we broke the symmetrical triangle here, coinciding also with the huge price resistance off the monthly chart time frame, where zoomed in here, it's got some perfect, beautiful reaction across. So again, huge stop out if you're playing it for the long leap option game. But as far as zooming in here on the daily chart time frame here, again, huge break. That's what you want to see, a huge break below that 83.19. Again, we could just do this for a little while, trade sideways, but we take out that 83.19, more stops will be hit, and we'll definitely cross down below that MACD into its zero lines, puncturing through the oscillator as well. And that's when things will start to sell off pretty heavily, in my opinion.